All right, good morning, everybody. Court will begin with the August 27th, 2020 docket. And Mr. J.R. Ramirez, I think one of your clients is, let me see here. What do you, oh, I
I
know
have
there's,
Bailey Titlows right there.
okay, Bailey Tilo. We can start with her. She
Okay,
needs to, she needs to unmute and then we get going here. It's going to be a plea, sir?
that's correct. It's a POM PTD plea.
POMPTD?
That's correct.
All right, Miss Tilo, good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, just speak a little bit louder. And for right now, raise your right hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down, and Mr. Ramirez can also put his hand down. CR 20-007-18D, Bailey Nicole Tidlow. Your charge here is a Class B misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal. Did you waive those two rights?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No, sir.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation after you give your plea?
Yes, sir.
And what is your plea, ma'am? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
All right, state. And I think that'll be Miss Michelle Beltran, right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning.
Good morning. The state offers plea documents and offense report as State Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant's right of appeal as State Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14 disclosure as State Exhibit 3, and waiver of risk to needs assessment as State Exhibit 4. PTD PL impact as State Exhibit 5. State would also request defense counsel stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court and that all documents and evidence that have been e-filed are sufficient to corroborate a plea guilty.
No objections, so I'll stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court, and we also stipulate regarding the documents that were e-filed.
And without objection, so admitted. However, at this time, the court will withhold any finding of guilt or innocence and will suspend any judgment whatsoever and will now turn to the PTD documents or paperwork, which have already been signed by everybody here, including the court. And all we're going to ask here, Ms. Titlow, is just follow the terms and conditions of the PTD packet, and hopefully we'll see you here in a couple of months. And if everything goes well, we'll dismiss the case. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
All right. Ms. Ramirez, do you need anything from her?
No, Judge, I have her number. I will call her after docket to give her instructions.
All right. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
And you may be excused, Ms. Titlow, okay?
Okay, thank
Do
you.
we have a return date, Your Honor?
It'll be October 15th,
October 15th.
4 o'clock. Good question. October 15th, 4 o'clock.
All right.
All right. You may be excused, ma'am. Now, Mr. Ramirez, you also have which case? You have,
I also have Luis Alejandro Hernandez.
oh yeah, Luis Alejandro Hernandez. I think he's, can you hear me, Mr. Hernandez? He needs to unmute. Is that him right there?
No, that's not him.
Oh, that's not him. Okay. How about, I don't see him.
Here, let
Anybody
me.
else? Anybody else we see?
I also have Jessica Alvarez.
And I don't think she's checked in yet.
Hey, can you help Luis Hernandez? Can you help him log in? Because I see him in the conference room.
Okay.
No. By the way, I think they say he's already logged in. I think he's in the waiting room.
And
No.
no,
Oh.
no. Now you have Hernandez and Jessica Alvarez. I don't see Jessica either, right?
Jessica Alvarez? No, I don't see her there. She should be logged in through at her residence.
Uh-huh. Well, let me see
Yeah,
here.
Luis
There's
Hernandez.
Luis Hernandez coming in already. Let me get Luis Hernandez. He should be connecting.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, he's connecting right now. Luis Hernandez is connecting. And he needs to unmute, right? Mr. Luis. Oh, there he is. Can you hear me, Mr. Hernandez? Can you hear me, Luis?
Luis, can you hear?
Mr. Luis Hernandez, can you hear me? All right. Can you hear me?
Sir,
There you go. Good morning. How you doing, sir?
good, sir. And you?
Oh, pretty good. Fine. Thank you. We're going to be doing a PTD plea here. Please raise your right hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. CR 20-01-750D, Luis Alejandro Hernandez. Your charge carries a Class B misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal. Did you waive those two rights?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No,
You
but
understand?
I am.
No, I'm sorry?
I am mentally competent.
Oh, you are. Okay, very good. You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And what is your plea, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty, sir.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
All right, state's evidence.
The state offers plea documents and offense report as State Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant's right of appeal as State Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14 disclosure as State Exhibit 3, waiver of risk to needs assessment as State Exhibit 4, and PTD POM pack as State Exhibit 5. State would also request defense counsel stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court, and that all documents and evidence that have been e-filed are sufficient to corroborate a plea of guilty.
No objections, so stipulate to the venue jurisdiction of this honorable court, and we also stipulate to all the documents that were e-filed.
And without objection, so admitted. However, at this time, the court will withhold any finding of guilt or innocence and will suspend any judgment in this matter and will now turn to the PTD package, which has already been signed and executed by everybody involved here, including the court. And all we ask, Mr. Hernandez, is just follow the terms and conditions of this packet, and hopefully we'll see you here on October the 15th, 4 p.m. So we can dismiss this case, okay? So hopefully everything goes fine, and we'll see you on October the 15th. You may be excused. Thank you, sir.
I also have Jessica Alvarez. I don't know if she's.
Jessica Alvarez,
I don't have it on dockets, Your Honor.
I don't see her in the waiting room.
Okay, let me.
Okay, let me go to Mr. Ortegon's client, and then we'll check with you later, Mr. J.R. Ramirez.
Yes, sir.
Let's see, somebody's coming in. Let's see who it is. Martin? No, is that her?
I think that's her, Jessica. Unmute
Okay,
yourself.
Jessica Hernandez, can you hear me? She needs to unmute.
Yes, it's
Can you
Alvarez.
hear me, ma'am?
Yes,
All right,
Jessica
good
Alvarez,
morning.
sorry.
All right, good morning, ma'am. Please raise your right hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You may put your hand down, and we have here Jessica Alvarez, CR 20-00686D. Your charge here, a Class B misdemeanor POM, which carries a potential penalty of up to a year, up to 180 days in jail, and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
yes,
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal. Did you waive those two rights?
yes.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No,
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation after you give your plea?
yes,
And what is your plea, ma'am? Guilty or not guilty?
guilty.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes,
All right, state.
The state offers plea documents and offense report as State Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant's right of appeal as State Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14 disclosure as State Exhibit 3, waiver of risk to needs assessment as State Exhibit 4, and PGD POM pack as State Exhibit 5. State would also request defense counsel stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of the trial court, and that all documents and evidence that have been e-filed are sufficient to corroborate a plea of guilty.
No objections, so I'll stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court. We also stipulate regarding the documents that were e-filed in this case.
Without objection, so admitted. However, at this time, the court will withhold any finding of guilt or innocence and will suspend any judgment in this matter. And will now turn to the PTD packet, which has already been signed by all the parties involved here, including the court. and having a return date of October the 15th, 4 p.m. October 15th, 4 p.m. for the status hearing. Oh yes, Ms. Alvarez, follow the terms and conditions of this program, and we'll see you here on that day. Okay, ma'am?
Thank you.
You're
Judge,
welcome. Yeah.
on Jessica, can I have a phone number? I couldn't tell on the system, Judge. What's your phone number, Jessica?
It's 956-777-2119.
Okay, thank you. I'll call you in a little bit.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. You may be excused.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
That's all I have, Your Honor. May I be excused?
You may be excused. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yes, sir. Mr. Ortegon.
Good morning, Judge.
Hey, good morning, sir. You have Baltasar Esquivel?
Yes, sir. I have Mr. Baltasar.
Esquivel. Okay. Is that the gentleman that's on the screen right now?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good morning, Mr. Esquivel.
Buenos días, señor Esquivel. Levante su mano derecha, por favor.
You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura que el testimonio que va a dar es la verdad, solamente la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Sí.
Yes.
Sí.
Puede bajar su mano.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Your CR 20-01904D, Baltasar Esquivel. Your charge here is a Class B misdemeanor, DWI, which carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Señor Baltasar, el caso de usted es CR 20-01904D, el estado de Texas contra Baltasar Esquivel. A usted lo acusan de una clase B, andar manejando en el estado de ebriedad. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $2,000 y no más de 6 meses en la cárcel. La pregunta del juez es, ¿usted comprende eso, sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial. You're entitled to an appeal. Did you waive those two rights?
¿Y usted comprende que usted tiene el derecho de un jurado que oiga su caso?
It's a plea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tiene el derecho de un jurado que oiga su caso y el derecho de apelar. ¿Es correcto que usted ha rechazado esos dos derechos esta mañana?
No.
Esos son los documentos que usted firmó.
Sí.
Yes.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
¿Alguna vez lo han declarado que esté mentalmente incompetente?
No.
No.
You understand that if you're not a U.S. citizen, that you plead guilty in your case may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to this country, or the denial of naturalization, the federal law?
Y usted comprende que si usted no es ciudadano de este país y se declara culpable, eso puede resultar en deportación, exclusión o que le nieguen la entrada a este país bajo leyes federales. ¿Usted comprende eso, sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
And how do you plead, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
¿Y cómo-
I'm sorry. And was that explained to you by your attorney?
¿Y eso se le explicó a usted por su abogado?
Sí.
Yes.
And how do you plead, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
¿Y cómo se declara, señor Baltasar? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
Sí, culpable.
Guilty.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
¿Y se está declarando culpable libre y voluntariamente?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. State's evidence, Ms. Beltran.
State offers plea documents and offense report as State Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant's right of appeal as State Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14 disclosure as State Exhibit 3, and waiver of risk needs assessment as State Exhibit 4. State would also request defense counsel stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court and that all documents and evidence that have been e-filed are sufficient to corroborate a plea of guilty.
No objection, Your Honor. We so agree stipulate to venue jurisdiction.
And without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court that Baltasar Esquivel is guilty as charged in CR 20-01904D. State recommendation?
State recommends a $500 fine plus court cost, 1 year deferred adjudication, ignition interlock device, alcohol classes, and 90-day Texas driver's license suspension.
Okay. And being a DWI, it can be a deferred adjudication?
I believe-
Yes, Judge.
The new law.
Yes, it's a
the
deferred,
new
but
law.
I have a question, Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
if the court permits.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Esquivel, when he came to my office, he's notified us that he had a heart attack since then.
Okay.
He doesn't drive anymore. His daughter is the one that assists him. I don't know if probation or the court can, help Mr. Esquivel. I know that the law says he's got to have a guardian ad litem in order to comply with the deferred, but I don't know if an affidavit suffice. I don't know.
Well, it's a Class B misdemeanor, right? And was it an accident by any chance?
It was a
No.
traffic.
Okay, but is it mandatory? Because now it's deferred. Is it mandatory on the interlock device?
I want to say it is if
Uh-huh.
you're going to get deferred and it's for half the time of the probation. So
Right.
that my question is, he'll comply, but he had a heart attack, and so he's not
Right.
driving anymore because of that medical condition. So
Well-
he'll oblige whatever, but I'm just
Well, even for right now, I mean, it can be either or the mobile or the interlock device. But if between now and 30 days you find out otherwise, come back to us and we'll help you with whatever other remedies you can happy to find out there. But you got 30 days, Mr. Ortegon.
okay, Judge. Well, I think it has to be the guardian interlock, Judge, under the statute.
Okay.
But
We'll order it. And then, like I said, I'll lower the fine to $250. And then it'll be everything else that was read on the
Judge,
record here. I'll waive paragraph.
if you can, number 7, in case he needs to go to Houston or something, and also
Yes.
if you report by mail, it being that he's a heart patient and the COVID situation.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll waive paragraph 7 and we'll report by mail.
Señor Esquivel, el juez, en vez de una multa de $500, le bajó a 250. Tiene que tomar clases de alcohol y también le va a dar permiso de que salga del condado si sea de que usted tiene que ir a Houston al doctor o algo así. Y también lo va a dejar que se reporte por correo. Es importante de que usted se comunique con el oficial y ya después el oficial le va a dar más instrucciones. Cualquier pregunta que usted tenga, le pregunta al oficial.
And let me amend the judgment here. It'll be the judgment of the court that it'll be a deferred probation here in cause number. All findings are hereby deferred in CR 20-01904D in the case of Baltasar, State versus Baltasar Esquivel. So it'll be deferred probation. Okay. Anything else, Mr. Ortegon?
No, Judge, that's all. Thank you.
All right, you all both may be excused.
Thank you,
Muchas
Judge.
gracias.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, I think we'll come back at 10 o'clock.
Thank you.